friend, today I will show you how you can make homemade lassi at your home. Sweet lassi from yogurt. So this is the ingredient. First you have to put this yogurt in this sugar and mix well. By hand you can mix or you can make by blender, and this put this water and mix well. So first have to put here this, then put this water on inside this till this will be dissolve this water and this sugar. So this will be ready. So let's start. I am showing you. First I will put in this yogurt, then I will put this water. So let's start. So see, now this is, I already put this yogurt, sugar and water and mix well. Now this is our homemade lassi ready. You can drink this with jalebi or any other thing, and this will be good for you. So I hope you understood now. If you have any query regarding this or any other question, so please comment in comment box, and you can ask me on my WhatsApp or you can call me on my on number. So I hope you understood now. If you like this video, please like and share to another also, because if anyone want to make how to make the lassi homemade, so he can make at his home, and he can get the good solution. So I hope you understood now. I will make another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.